Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the hidden job market. It seems there's a lot of unadvertised jobs, and as it turns out, there are some easy ways to crack their code. Today we're going to learn about that. Networking is really important. Spread the word about your job search on social media, talk to your colleagues, reconnect with former colleagues, attend industry meetings and conferences, and talk with relatives and friends just to get the word out. Second, do your homework. Roll up your sleeves and become a job sleuth. Read news releases, look for people with common interests, and think out of the proverbial box. Forge ahead and leverage commonalities. LinkedIn is so important since job networking has virtually become synonymous with LinkedIn, and networking is a huge part of your strategy. Take advantage of this critical tool. Post helpful articles to your page or groups, and engage with members who might help you. Ask about guidance, not jobs, because people are much more receptive when they're not put on the spot. So your question should initially be about whether they can help steer you in the right direction. Alright, we get to a point where you have to pay attention and be nice. You have to be kind to the gatekeeper, because assistants and sometimes security guides are the unsung heroes of today's companies. They are often the trusted confidants of C-suite executives. So you show respect for the very people who can be invaluable allies to you. At the end, my advice is to be positive. No matter how diplomatic you are, you're gonna run across some people who will turn you down or be aggressive with you. It's fine. If you need a new job fast, this isn't necessarily the way to go about it. But if you have the luxury of time, it's an excellent approach. Good luck finding a job. Bye-bye.